this dream, I was a little yellow bird and they sent me down the mine. My feathers were speckled with coal dust, but still I shone brightly as I went down, down and down there in the depths I found a warren of beauty and shadows, darkness and light, doorways and passages and figures moving, and 1,000 songs being sung. I dreamt I was a melody wisping from a magic flute, but my notes were all off pitch and anyhow no one could hear me. I just hung in the air all out of key and breathless, like a murder ballad's ghost. I dreamt that I was falling through the strings of a giant harp. I dreamt a familiar stranger came to invade my heart. I dreamt a man in a shiny blue suit made me sign my life away. I dreamt I was on stage naked and I had nothing to say. And I woke in cold sweat, writhing, twitching, questions spinning round and round the room. Well, I met the train, did I lock the door? Will anyone come? Have I got it all wrong? Am I gaining weight? Am I losing ground? Am I still attracted to men? Am I really good at all? Who am I? And then I was back in the coal mine, with fear brushing my wings and love calling my beak. And Janis Joplin was asking what good can drinking do, but I couldn't reply because I was drowning in an ocean of gin. And Billie Holiday was asking why was I born, but I couldn't reply because I had toes to a violin. And the headmaster was asking me to explain myself. The wedding guests were politely asking, and what do you do? And Amy Winehouse was asking, do I want another life? And my back was breaking, and my pockets were full of stones. The water was rising, and my ears were full of the most distorted refrain, and my lungs were full of thick black smoke, and I was choking on myself. And I woke in cold sweat, writhing, twitching, questions spinning round and round the room. And again I became that twisted tune, and I floated softly away over the rooftops, echoed through the sleeping streets, leaving nothing behind but a streak